It's March Madness, and my team, who has not made it into the March Madness stuff, clearly I don't know what I'm talking about, hasn't made it for 31 years, which is like as long as I've been alive. So that's pretty exciting, even though I never went to a basketball game because I don't really like basketball. It's still really exciting. So we're wearing our football jersey because I went to Marshall University. This is Marshall, my dog, because I love my experience so much. So go Herd. They beat Wichita State today. So we are representing, so I wish them luck, and that's pretty exciting for them. Alright, so I got a Stitch Fix, and I will tell you I got one last month, but as you can see I painted my walls and did a couple other things, so I didn't get time to get it done, and like I didn't really have the space to get it done because there's several rooms there's stuff still getting done in. So anyway, I'm going to do a Stitch Fix. Exciting news is that my boyfriend agreed to, I mean, we didn't like have a sit down talk with it, but he said he would do a video for the men, the Stitch Fix for men. So he did get one last month. We both got ours right around Valentine's Day last month, and this was really good. I think we really liked it for the most part. It was just a little pricey and a little bit large on him. So as always, please use my referral code. I will link it below. I appreciate that. The referral codes lately have been giving $15 to $20 free for you. I think 25 once, but so anyway, if you use my referral code and you're a first time buyer, you'll get a little bit of a credit as well. So that's exciting. And if you use it, please comment and let me know like what you thought about Stitch Fix and stuff like that. Also, I'm going to try to start doing videos just a little bit more often. I'm still thinking like once a month, maybe twice a month. So if you watch any of my other videos, I know Stitch Fix is my more popular videos. If you watch any of my other videos, please leave feedback letting me know which ones you would really like. My channel really was for the cruelty-free beauty kind of stuff, so I would like to get back into that. Alright, I already started the box, so hopefully it'll be easier to open. Okay, probably shouldn't sit up there because there's a candle. And yes, everybody, I am wearing sweatpants because I am off of work and I don't like wearing pants. Oh yeah, so I almost did this, but I was in a rush. So they have extras now where you can get, it says, okay, so it's called extras, and easily add pieces from our curated collection of intimates to your next fix, including camis, shapewear, tights, and socks. We call it extras, you call it amazing. Your $20 styling fee can go towards any extras you purchase. So I could have added extras on. They don't go towards the discount from what I remember reading. So I don't know if that means like if you buy 5 items but 2 are extras, you don't get the discount, or even if you buy everything in your whole entire box, so you don't get the discounts on the extras. So I'm not exactly sure how that works, but I will try to do it next time just so that you guys can kind of see. Oh, hello. These are my styling cards. And then here's a note from my stylist. Hi Mandy, spring has arrived. It's my favorite. This is my favorite season. Like, I don't really like fall like everybody else does. Like, I like fall things, but I don't like fall like everybody else does because, like, that's when things are dying and, like, stuff is slowing down. Like, life is slowing down, and then you just have to get into the stress of the holidays and, like, coldness, and I hate cold. So anyway, I'm really, like, I love spring. Plus my birthday's in a month, and it's in spring, so that's kind of cool, I guess. But I love spring. Okay, hi Mandy, spring has arrived. You know I love your videos. So I can't wait to see what this one brings. To kick off your springtime wardrobe, the bold red split hem jeans cut from the cloth can be spectacularly styled with the Daniel Rain floral blouse, cami included, nice, and either ballet flats or espadrilles. That was on HQ Trivia. Ooh, I'll link my user code on HQ Trivia too below, because HQ Trivia is a trivia game where you like just play to win money. Like, it's free, and you have to get all 12 questions or 15 on Sundays correct, and then you can win money. They normally do $2,500, and they split it up between the users, and normally there's like, I'm gonna say like between like 20 and like 100 people who win, but there's been a couple times where like a lot less or a lot more people won. So anyway, it's like $2,500 usually, but like on Sundays they will sometimes do like 40 and 50,000. So I'll link my code below, and you just download the app, and then you can put my name in, my user code, in for the referral source. I would appreciate it. It gives me free life, and I suck at the trivia, but I still play it a lot. Thanks. Anyway, espadrilles was a question on HQ Trivia. You could add a light jacket or cardigan if there is still a chill in the air. For a more casual look with the jeans, why not pair them with the LUG raglan sleeve top and pair of Converse sneakers. The Love Apella swing tank is colorful and could be worn with regular or colored jeans and a denim jacket for a trendy chic look. To meet your request for a maxi dress, floral one from Fortune Ivy, that's in all caps. That reminds me of pieces on your board. The sleeves are fabulous. Happy spring to you. Enjoy, Kate. Happy spring and happy Easter, all you people, because I probably will get this. It'll probably take me a week to get this out. I'll tell you the prices as I show you the outfit. I do want to let you know that my stylist subtotal is about $262, which is probably actually a little bit cheaper than average. So that's pretty nice. That makes me happy because I am cheap. All right, let's look and see what I got. I'm going to show you first, and then I will try it on. So skip ahead if you just want to see the try on. This is pretty. Feels very soft. Aww. You can hold on to my clothes, Marge. I think he's pouting because he doesn't want to wear that jersey. Ooh, this is the one with the cami included because it's falling down. That's really pretty, really springy. All my favorite colors. Wait, I don't have a lot of purple things. It's like, I don't even know what you call that. They're flowers, but they're like, I don't want to say tie-dyed or watercolored. I don't know. Etched. This is more of a fall color in my opinion, but I like the color. Looks like she probably did a really good job this time. Thank you, Kate. Ooh. Okay. Oh, it looks like it's high-low too. A little bit. Okay. These are like a bright red, and I do have red jeans already. But those are like teenager jeans. Like they come like just like barely above my crack. So I could probably use some red pants in my life. All right, I'm gonna try it on. All right, this is what Kate had recommended, so I put it on, and the pants are cut from the cloth, and they are the Candace split hem skinny jeans, and they are $78. They're in the color red. They are like a bright red, not like a Christmas red, or I don't know. They just almost have just a hint of coral to them, but they're red. They're very bright. They're very comfortable. Then the top is Daniel Rain Vivian floral print sleeveless blouse, and it is $58. I'm gonna start with the top. It took me over 15 minutes to get in this. I wish I could record myself like trying things on, because it's probably the best part of the video if I could put it on the video. It's like rocket science. It has a cami attached to it, and it was inside out, and it was like folded over, and the strap, and then this is attached, and I can't handle it. Luckily, it looks like you can unattach the cami if I bought it, but I didn't want to do that now, and you know, possibly have to pay for it if something happened. But anyway, I do like the blouse. I don't like how it cuts me right here, but that's just because I don't really like my arms. I'm in the process of losing weight, because that's all my entire life. I'm always in the process of losing weight, right? Because last month I was in the process of gaining it. So anyway, I just don't like sleeves like this because I don't have like pretty little arms. I have like football player arms, and it's just not cute. And so I don't like tops that cut like this, but I do think this is great for like work play, even going out to like happy hour and stuff. Like I really think this outfit's like cute. Like I really like it. This is very roomy. Like I said, I probably have gained like 5 or 6 pounds since the last time, the last video. But like I said, I didn't change my sizes or anything, so everything should be running just a tad like looser, but not like too big. So anyway, this I think fits pretty well. It fits very nice here. Normally I have puckering here. It's like I said, it's loose, but it's not too big. And the cami is just a blue, like cami thing attached to the freaking shirt. And I like the colors. I think it's perfect for spring. It's very lightweight, so definitely I could wear it for summer. And for spring I could just throw a cardigan, and really I could wear it all year round if I just throw a cardigan on it. Now, the jeans are a little bit big, and they're really comfortable, and they fit really nice right now, but I do get concerned, especially for $78, that like in 2 hours from now they'd be falling off of me and they would stretch, because I feel like everything stretches these days, which is nice because I stretch these days, but it's not so great when, like, you know, I'm walking my clients up the stairs and my like pants are falling down past my ass crack. Just not great. So anyway, I really like the color. I have red pants, and they're very close in color of red, but this just has a little coral to it. I swear it does. They are high-rise pants, and like, although I feel like these are more comfortable, I don't like what they do to me right here. They make, have you ever seen that picture of Jessica Simpson where she's singing and she has like her cute little like overall high-rise things on, and she just looks like a blimp? Well, that's what I feel like I look like every time I wear high-rise, and I want to be that girl that looks cute in them, but I'm just not, and I need to like accept that. I think I have accepted that. So I'm just going to wear long shirts with this. So it's cute when I do this, but if I were to wear a shirt that was like this, it would not be flattering right there. It has pockets, which is nice. It's very soft, very comfortable. Feels even more comfortable than leggings, but I don't love how leggings constrict me too much. And they are like the perfect like size, like so they're not too long. This is their like little split that they say is like this. So it really doesn't really add character or anything to it. Give me your feedback on what you think I should do, because I'm not so sure about getting these if they're already a little loose. And I am hoping to lose a little bit of weight, but also, like, do you think they're going to stay like this, or do you think in a couple hours they're just going to keep expanding? $78? It's a lot of money. This is the Lovapella Earnest Knit Swing Tank. It is $44. My boyfriend wasn't in love with this. He really liked the last outfit, like really liked it, and I'm not in love with this. He just doesn't like the pattern. I feel like it looks a little too gangsta right here, like a little bit just too much wife beater-ish or tank-ish. I mean, I am queen of just wearing colored tanks and capris in the summer, like basic, but I have like a tank in every color, like that's me. But like I paid like $8 from Old Navy for those. Anyway, I do think it makes me look bigger right here. I think it looks like a shirt like either if I'm getting ready to be pregnant or like I'm coming off pregnancy, and that's not the look I'm going for. I like how I could wear it with leggings because it does cover the booty, but it's just not, it's not what I'm looking for. I really like the, I like the pattern of it. I think it's neat, and I would be okay with one of these things in my collection. And I don't own a lot of purple stuff, except for I own a couple like fuchsia dresses. Just not a huge fan, but I will tell you, it is so comfortable. It is really comfortable. I'm going to come up closer just so you can see. I just don't think it's like the most flattering. I feel like if I put a like pencil skirt up here, there's so much material. If I put a pencil skirt up here, it could possibly look cute, especially with a cardigan, because then I could get that pattern and get rid of the things I don't like. But that's a lot of work for $44. This is the least expensive item in the box, and it is the LUQ Amidine raglan sleeve knit top, and it is $34. I like their concept here, and I had to tell myself, like, if I was in the store, would I get this? Probably not. I would pick it up to try it on, but that's not true. I bring stuff home and try it on, and then I take it back. That's how I roll. So, I think it actually, like, all the stuff she's given me have felt really comfortable and really good. Except for the first blouse, it just felt kind of like normal. But, like, these pants feel good, the last shirt felt good, this one feels really good. So it's really comfortable. It's a clingy material, so I can't wear pants that are too tight or it'll show, all the stuff. But it's very comfortable. It's great for spring, great for those transitional stages or, like, summer nights. I like what they were trying to do here, but I think it accentuates, like, my arms, and like I just said, I don't enjoy my arms. So I think I'm probably going to have to pass on this because I'm just not a huge fan. But I do like this print, and if this would have continued down the sleeve, I probably would have gotten it. So it doesn't look good. Plus these two materials are a little different, so it makes it look bulgy right here. I don't know if you can see how it's like bunching up and stuff. So I'm gonna try on the dress, and then I'll be done. Alright, this is in the color burgundy. It is Fortune and Ivy Irene Faux Wrapped Brush Knit Dress, I think. It's like telling me all the names and stuff, but like a lot of them are cut off, so I'm just guessing. And this is $48, which is really cheap for a dress for them. So the one shirt that I wore last, the dark gray one, and this, they were probably on sale because nobody else wanted them. But that's just a guess. Alright, clearly this is not my Easter Sunday dress. My boyfriend really likes it. I'm kind of like on the fence, and I'll tell you why. I asked him if he liked it even if it wouldn't be boob central, and he said yes. So anyway, I do kind of like the sleeves. I used to really love these sleeves when I was little, like when I was like 8 and 9, I used to love these sleeves. Now I'm definitely not like that excited about them. I really want a couple, maybe 2 or 3 things with these sleeves. But I do like them because I think that they bring a little bit of elegance to me. If it would have been a little higher up, I wouldn't have liked it. So I like where it lands. I kind of do like this, but I wish that the dress allowed for me to wear a cami under it so that I could choose how much of myself I want to show to the world. I like the material. It's very comfortable. The thing I don't like is it's faux wrap, so the actual wrap thing starts here and goes here, like it's just little pieces of extra string. But it has elastic. It feels just like this around. Like, see how loose this is on my wrist because it's stretched out so much? That's what it feels like. But it's still creating like a couple little bulges right here, and I don't like that. It just is not flattering, and I wouldn't want to wear, like, I don't really wear shapewear. And maybe I should, I don't know, but I don't really want to have to wear that. And so anyway, it's just, I don't love how it looks right here, but since he likes it, I might consider getting it because it's only $44 and for Stitch Fix dress, that's fine. It's something similar that, like something different that like I don't have. But yeah, the elastic is not uncomfortable at all. It is not uncomfortable. I don't want to like make it sound like it's a pair of like tight fitting pants. It is not uncomfortable. It's just enough to where it's doing bad, unflattering things. It's high-low, and I don't know how much you can see, but it's a high-low dress. Kind of bland on the back too, or not bland, but the same pattern. There's nothing else going on. I think it's pretty. I do think it's more of like a end of summer fall dress than a spring summer dress, but who cares? I like it. I don't love it. As far as everything else, please give me your feedback. I will try to get this up soon so that I don't have to send the so I don't send the box back before getting your feedback, but that just depends on life. Tomorrow's St. Patrick's Day and I'm pretty busy, and then Sunday I have a fundraiser to go to, so I'm pretty busy. And I think Sunday is when Marshall, the Thundering Herd, will play again. I wonder if they'll play WVU. That would be crazy business, and we need to beat WVU, beat them down. That would be so cool though to have like two state teams in them. That'd be really cool though to have like two teams from the same state and playing against each other, I think. So anyway, thank you so much for watching. If you have questions, please ask, and I'll try to be better about getting back to my comments. If you're new to my channel, I'm trying to like rebuild back up and trying to start my channel back up because I did take a little bit of time off. So thanks for stopping by. If you're thinking about getting a pet, please consider your local shelters and animal rescues. You could be saving a life. Bye!